how to use the controller, Leo. Push, push, push. Good job, Leo. Huh? Pushing the buttons? Get the broken ones. That's Leo's controller, right?
The next controller.
You could borrow Leo's. Hey, don't put it in your mouth, Leo. Not in your mouth. No, 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 not in your mouth. No. Oh. Oh, oh. Over your head. Now we're going to drag it. No, that's not how we play with it. We push the buttons. That cord is kind of scary to me. Let's not wrap the cord around your neck. Here, take it off your neck. Take it off your neck. Yeah, thank you. I don't like it on your neck. Biting. Push the buttons. Push the buttons. That's how you play. See, you push those buttons.
Oh, gosh.